up and out. These hooks just hook in and out. Remove that screw, pick up this cover, undo that screw, and we should be able to slide it out. There's a lead acid battery. Lithium battery has slotted straight back in. Didn't need to put any of the cushioning, it was a perfect fit. Now these came together, this bolt was screwed in, so what we need to do is slide this bolt into the bottom under there, and then seat everything back on top that was on top, and the same on this side, and just screw this through the top, and that's it. Shouldn't be any more to it. Everything's screwed back in, test light's full. Let's put the seat back in and we'll give it a start and see if it's all good. GSXR 750 K8 L0 2010. If you're wondering, this is the battery that I've got. It's a Shido Lithium LT12A-PS 12 volt 42 WH. Read reviews about it from other Gixxer users, and it's been spoken about highly, so I thought I'd give it a go. Anyway, not a long job, probably takes about 5 minutes. Hope that was useful. If you have any questions, let me know.